This is not clickbait. I'm about to show you how you can watch YouTube without ads, without having YouTube Premium, on both desktop and on mobile. And no, this is not going to just be the standard advice of downloading an ad blocker, because that does not work on mobile. Now, if you're on desktop, you can download the ad block for YouTube Chrome extension. This is extremely helpful and works completely on desktop, but doesn't work on mobile. I'll leave the link to this in the description, as well as I'd also recommend this extension for desktop called Sponsor Block on YouTube. This automatically skips sponsorships that are within a YouTube video. So for example, if I go to a Mr. Beast video, you see how there's little green parts right here? Well, those green parts are sponsored message. And if I click play, this sponsored YouTube ad blocker will automatically skip all of the sponsored portions. Now I can unskip these if I want, and it can show how he's talking about Creator League as a sponsorship basically. But by default, it will just basically automatically skip all the times where a sponsorship is integrated into the video. As you can see, if I just wait, it just automatically skips all the sponsorships. But that's still not what I'm talking about, because that still doesn't let you block sponsorships on mobile. What I'm talking about is some gatekept information by using a VPN and setting your location to Albania. And this may seem crazy, but for some reason in Albania, it is actually illegal for YouTube to play ads. So just to show you this on desktop, I went on incognito mode and I'm logged into YouTube. And if I just search something up, like the word stuff, I get a sponsored message at the top, as well as in general, I would get ads if I clicked on videos like this. Now, what I can do is go to NordVPN. This is what I use and what I recommend to people, and I will leave the link to it in the description. It is only $3 a month. Now, I know that sounds like, oh, well, isn't this method not free then if I have to pay? You should have a VPN anyways. And a lot of you probably already do have a VPN anyways, and if you don't, you should get a VPN for the protections that it gives you when you're browsing on the internet. So if you already have a VPN, which you should, being able to block ads is free. So all you would have to do once you download NordVPN, again, this is very simple. All you have to do is switch your location to Albania. And you can see now that it's connected, if I go back to my YouTube incognito and I refresh, the ad is completely gone. And again, I could even go to YouTube Shorts and start scrolling, and you can see I will never get an ad. And it's literally simply because of the fact, I don't know how this is possible, but it's true. Ads are not allowed on YouTube in Albania. So I just won't get an ad so long as I'm connected to an Albanian VPN. Now note, this also works on mobile. So if I log into YouTube on an account that does not have premium, you can see here I get an ad. But if I go on my phone and I go to the NordVPN app and I switch my location to Albania, and then I am now successfully connected to Albania, I can head back to YouTube. And if I refresh, the sponsored message is completely gone. And again, I could just scroll literally indefinitely if I wanted. And that doesn't matter. I can scroll as much as I want and I still won't get ads on YouTube because I'm connected to an Albanian VPN, and it is illegal in Albania for YouTube to play ads. So that's a little hack for you guys. No more ads on YouTube ever, so long as you're connected to an Albanian VPN. And once again, the link to NordVPN will be in the description. It is something you should already have and something you should already use anyways. And then it gives you the bonus perk of not having ads on YouTube ever again on desktop or on mobile, which is a really big plus. If you got some free value out of this tip, make sure to leave a like on this video. And if you want to join my community with tons of people all focused on ways to make money, save money, or find cool things like this in the make money online space, make sure to join my Discord with over 23,000 members. As always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.